Inti ene minimum ba chese de see green chili sauce with just few ingredients. Unso den here nyo bebre bia. Nti so person hu say am see na je akonwa na meba. Inti medical proper ingredients because of time. Let's to a description box so person hu nyo ma me de ya. Inti mesha say nam de Kpaposhito egu mi food processor. Me wi anam the finger chillies aka ho na me de Scallions. Na me the fresh rosemary. But me use dry rosemary, that's okay. Me wi anam the green bell pepper and so aka ho na me de some cloves of garlic aka ho. Na me de ginger and so aka ho. Na me de star aniseed kakra bi so aka ho. Na me de my last ingredient aka ho, which is jane and say mayam ne kama. Me wi anam preheat me pan. Na me de oil kakra bi egum. Yeah. Nti me wi anam the blended ingredients no aka ho na say atone bo ase esija so for roughly 10 minutes. Ti wala o sauce ni sija ne so no. Hwe na rain free say ubenu periodically because pese ase ebehye. Ade baako a me de power green chili sauce ho no say very easy to make, and unlike shiton we would see so acha 20 to 25 minutes and you are done. Inti after 10 minutes when say sauce no changing kakra inti me de me shrimp powder ebegum. Na me ni fish powder inti me use shrimp. So fish powder you can use that instead, or na say obutu be the shrimp powder and the fish powder na aka ho so we no me all that. Inti me sha say na ma introduce me seasoning. Inti me the 1 tablespoon of my preferred seasoning aka ho. Na try say me no mu kama me wi na me de just a teaspoon of my homemade natural spice blend aka ho na say menu so Ain't me wi na say me the 1.5 tablespoons of homemade all-purpose seasoning aka na say menu kama. While adding the seasoning no, please make sure say obe tasty say be ya embro so me wi na say me just a teaspoon of salt aka ho na menu. Inti so sauce ne being much faster. Do not add water when blending your ingredients. Me refi say me can earlier. So it's been 25 minutes and our sauce is ready. Ope say omemuchi pa obetumi ato aso ba me say na me peno. Obetumi the sauce we edi bibia banku barrier yache. Obetumi kra the bia can stir fry just say a whole lot. So thank you so much for watching till the very end. If you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and then subscribe if you haven't. See you in my next video. Bye.